One thing I found that customers really eat up is documentation like this. So this is a temperature compensated pressure test using MeasureQuick. It's got a pass fail at the bottom. You can quickly see, even if you don't know what's going on, it just looks really professional, and it's a really accurate way to pressure test. Here's a screenshot I took from MeasureQuick using my pipe clamps. Temp drop across filter dryer. After I replaced the restricted filter dryer, here's a superheat subcooling, all that good stuff from MeasureQuick. And here's a blue vac report from Pullman Vacuum. Got down to 213 microns, ultimate vacuum. After 10-minute decay test, hit 237 microns. So that guy's super dry and good to go, but it shows it on the graph here. It's a little over 10 minutes. It shows the total time here, 11 minutes, 26 seconds. So I found that customers really eat up documentation like this.